The Lovato Electric SM series of motor protection circuit breakers provides standards-compliant safety functions both for individual machines and in modular panels and distribution boards. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Available throughout Australia from Mechtric, these circuit breakers are available with either push-button or rotary knob actuation, and both types can be padlocked in the off position for extra safety during maintenance. Both thermal and magnetic trip versions are available with ratings from 100 milliamps to 100 amps and a high braking capacity of up to 100 kiloamps. The circuit breakers are complemented by a full range of accessories, including surface and panel mount enclosures, add-on auxiliary contacts, interconnects and trip releases. And you can find out more about the SM series by visiting mechtric.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.